Hey guys, now I'm gonna do the sauce. Excuse my Christmas tree. I know January is now finished and it's still up, but I'm gonna take it down by Friday, hopefully. But let's do this sauce, this cheesy sauce. Sauce. Okay, so we're gonna do the sauce. These are the fries. These are the fries I used. As you guys can see, I did these fries for about 30 minutes, I believe, because there wasn't an oven while I was cleaning. And now I'm gonna do the sauce, the cheesy sauce. So this is a pot we're gonna be using. It's on 5. Yes, you heard that. That's the pot we're gonna be using. And I'm gonna be using the single cream. This is creamy sauce. And now I'm gonna get my cheese and I'll be show you guys. Yeah, this is the cheese that I have. I was going to do a capsulon, so that's why I got quarter sliced cheese. But I'm doing this video, so I'm gonna use this cheese, and I might use some of these, but you'll see. We're gonna store it. Now we're gonna store it. Get it cheesy, extremely cheesy. So I'm gonna continue whisking, but before I leave you guys, I'm gonna add some seasoning inside. Season oil and garlic powder seasoning. So I'm gonna leave this sit for about 10 minutes and I'll be right back. I'm leaving it sit and set up to do my cheesy fries mukbang video, so check that out. It will be in my description box down below. And it's that simple and easy. This is the end of my video. Ooh. 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 Yes. Ooh. Cheese. Wait, I'm gonna add this right here. It's to melt. We're about to eat. It's about to be cheesy. Like, so freaking. Ooh. To watch a full video, it will be in my description box down below. This is just a sneak peek. You guys haven't seen anything.